So let's learn how to balance the following reaction by oxidation number method. For this, we have to find the oxygen state of Mn and oxygen, then nitrogen, again oxygen. Here for Mn, for oxygen, for Mn and oxygen. Here it will be plus 3. Okay, first of all, write the oxygen state of each atom. Like Mn has a plus 7, N has plus 3. Oxygen is always has minus 1. Mn has plus 4 and oxygen has minus 2 again, and N has plus 5 over here, and O2O has minus 2. Okay. Now see, what is the change in oxygen state? You can see here that oxygen state is changing from plus 7 to plus 4, so there is change of plus 3 oxygen state, and here the oxygen state is plus 3, and it is changing to plus 5, so there is a change of plus 2. Now the first step to find the oxygen state of each atom. Number 2, find the change in oxygen state of various atoms. Okay, and number 3, very important. Now balance the change. Multiply by 2, multiply by 3. Okay, then whatever the multiple number you have multiplied, put here. It will be 2 and 4 negative plus 3 and O2 negative. The rest will be as it is. Okay, now rule is balance any other atom except H and O. So how many Mn are here? 2. So 2, 3 and 3. Now how many O? 2 4 the 8, 8 or 6, 14. How many O? 2 to the 4, 4 and 9, 13. So 1 water, and here it will be 2H plus to balance the H. This is your balance equation.